Happy Tiger Year! Oh my god! Why does she like it?
You need to like go another side as well. It's okay. It's #homemade.
This is before baking it. I'm going to show you my proud design because after it comes out from the oven, I'm not sure if you can see anymore. Look at my artwork! #abstract. Wow, look at this flower. It's going places, man. Baking with a JJ song is the mood. My heart shape looks so ugly. Look at my star, it's nice. And my tongue is gone. Actually, it's nice that the biscuit is not sweet because the pineapple is very sweet.
True.
Hi guys! It's Tuesday today and I've just finished. I just had my lunch. This is a reunion lunch with my cousin's family and now I'm on my way to Tampines for another dinner with another family. I'm currently in Panjang, so I'll be going all the way from Panjang to Tampines via downtown line. Happy Tiger Year! It is. Happy New Year! Hero! 新年快乐！新年快乐！To attract great wealth and treasures into your life. 问版。招财，招财，no， 会招财进宝。
步步高升，学业进步，
越来越
事业成功，找到恋路。
Oh my god！
去做你喜欢做的。
对，新年快乐，身体健康，毕业效益，不会增长，不会增长，毕业效益。
幸福开心。
有个祝你。
我听了。
祝你效果常开，经常是成为你的舞蹈的学习。支持你希望你能到美国好好学习。
哇！ 忽然虎年新年到，我们一起 shake shake， 欢庆虎年一定要更美好。忽然虎年新年到，虎年虎虎生威妙，老虎好灵，就是不得了。3, 2, 1, let's go！
ピカピ、ピカチュウ、ピカピカ。